All right, today we're going to talk about a journey that I bet a lot of you are either on right now or you're seriously thinking about it. And that's the affiliate marketer's journey. We're going to go from the very beginning, we're talking humble spreadsheets, all the way up to what it really takes to scale. You've all seen it, right? The promise of easy passive income. The idea that you can make money while you sleep. But is it really that simple? Let's be real. The path from that dream to actually making it happen, well, it has some interesting twists and turns. So just to make sure we're all on the same page here, what is affiliate marketing? At its heart, it's a performance-based deal. You promote someone else's stuff, and when someone buys through your special link, you get a cut. You know, it's that classic win-win scenario. The merchant makes a sale they might not have otherwise, and you get paid. Simple as that. And the opportunities? They are huge. I mean, look at this list. No matter what you're into, tech, finance, fashion, travel, even something super specific like gardening, chances are there's an affiliate program out there for you. It's a massive land of opportunity. Okay, so you've jumped in, you've picked your niche. But this is where the dream of passive income smacks right into the reality of active tracking. All of a sudden, you're juggling dozens of links, tracking clicks, sales, different partners. It can get chaotic fast. So how do you tame that chaos? Well, like this marketer says, it all comes down to organization. And for most people starting out, their command center, their whole operation is run out of a spreadsheet. Google Sheets for a lot of folks is an absolute game changer.
And listen, it doesn't need to be some crazy, complicated thing. It all starts with something just like this. Super simple. You've got your date, your partner, what you sold, and the most important part, what you earned. This basic grid right here, this is the foundation for making smart decisions with your data.
Now we start to level up. Instead of pulling out a calculator, you can let this spreadsheet do the work. A formula like SUMIF is your first taste of real power. It lets you ask the sheet questions like, hey, how much did I actually make from brand B this month? And it just tells you. This is your first real step toward automation. All right, feeling a little more confident? Good. Let's talk about the next weapon in your arsenal, pivot tables. Now, this is where you go from just collecting data to actually analyzing it. Pivot tables let you slice and dice all that information to find trends you'd never see otherwise. It's like becoming a data analyst without having to write a single line of code. And for all you power users out there, check this out, the MID and FIND combo. Look, affiliate tracking links can be long, ugly, messy things. This little formula duo is like a pair of surgical tweezers. It lets you reach into that long string of text and pull out the one piece of information you need. This is how you really start to scale your tracking. Okay, you're a pro at your data now. You know what's working. So what's next? Well, you need a storefront, right? A professional-looking home base to show off all these awesome products. But what if you can't code? This is where no-code tools just change the game completely. Platforms like SpreadSimple are basically magic wands for marketers. You take that same Google Sheet, the one you've been working so hard on, you copy the link, paste it into the tool, and bam, you have a real, professional, mobile-friendly website. It's wild.
And don't just take my word for it. The results can be insane. This user, Joseph21, built a whole site this way and got 12,000 visitors in the first 2 days. 12,000. That's just incredible proof that this works.
And the speed, it's just mind-blowing. Manu D, a reviewer over on G2, built their entire affiliate site in about 30 minutes. Think about that. You can go from a spreadsheet to a live website in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. I just love this one. It's so real. A user on Twitter built a food-selling website for their dad. It just proves that this isn't some high-tech thing only for developers. It's easy enough that you can build a business for your family with it. It's really that easy. So at this point, our hero, the affiliate marketer, is feeling pretty good. They've got their data dialed in, they've got a no-code website, they feel unstoppable. But every hero's journey has that one big test, the moment you hit a wall that your current tools just can't get you over. And here's where it gets tricky. See, tracking a simple click is one thing, but what if you need to track something complex? Like, say, a donation made through PayPal, where the amount is different every time. How do you get that specific dollar value back into your analytics? It's a really common and really tough problem.
And hey, this isn't just a hypothetical. This is a real person, a Reddit user, crying out for help. They work for a nonprofit. They have this exact problem. And even with an amazing tool like ChatGPT, they're completely stuck.
So to solve this problem, you have to venture into a more technical world and understand something called the data layer. The absolute best way to think of it is like the nervous system of your website. It's this invisible layer that passes critical messages, like that specific donation amount, from your site over to your analytics tools. And this slide right here, this perfectly illustrates what I call the developer divide. The marketer's goal is so simple and clear. I just want to track the donation. But the developer sees this whole other universe of complexity. Webhooks, transaction IDs, data layer objects, GTM variables. It's a different language, and it's exactly why our Reddit user was struggling.
And you don't have to take my word for it. Analytics expert Julius Federovicius says it perfectly. If you need this kind of custom setup and you don't have a developer on hand, well, you have to become one. And as he puts it, that's not an easy feat.
So, you've hit the technical wall. Is it game over? Absolutely not. This isn't a dead end. This is a moment of choice. It's a fork in the road.
And that fork leads to two very clear paths. On one side, you've got the no-code path. It's fast, it's simple, and honestly, it's powerful enough for most creators and businesses out there. On the other side is the pro path. This is for when you need infinite customization for enterprise-level tracking. And yeah, it usually means hiring developers or using advanced platforms. But here's the key. There is no wrong path. There's only the path that's right for you.
And you know what the best part is? Whichever path you choose, you've got an incredibly powerful sidekick, AI. Artificial intelligence can help you brainstorm content, it can optimize your ads, it can supercharge your SEO, and even help you find new partners. It's a massive advantage for any marketer on any path. So there it is. The journey from a simple spreadsheet to a truly scalable business is clearer than it's ever been. You've seen the map, you know what the tools are. The only question left, and it's the most important one, is which path are you going to build?